If Google Gravity is loading really slow for you, yeah, that can ruin the whole effect. Sometimes it lags, freezes, or takes forever to load. But don't worry. I'll show you a few simple ways to speed it up. First, make sure you're opening the correct version of Google Gravity. It doesn't run properly on the normal Google page. Use the version created by Mr. Doob, since that one is optimized and works best. Now, check your internet connection. If your connection is slow, the Gravity script will take longer to load. Try switching to a faster network or reconnecting your Wi-Fi. Another big reason for slow loading. Too many tabs open. Yeah, your browser performance drops when it's overloaded. So close unused tabs and apps to free up memory. If the animation feels laggy or doesn't fully load, make sure JavaScript is enabled. Go to Settings, find Site Settings, and turn JavaScript on. Extensions can also slow things down, especially ad blockers or script blockers. Try disabling them temporarily, then reload the page. If it's still slow, yeah, try a different browser. Some browsers handle animations better than others. You can use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox for smoother performance. And finally, clear your browser cache. Old files can slow down loading and cause lag. After that, reload the Gravity page and check the speed again. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Gravity slow loading issues. With these quick steps, it should run much smoother. Give them a try and see the difference. Hey, so